So why is there this negative connotation when it comes to MSG?
I think
MSG, 3 letters that have sparked decades of controversy. For years, you've probably heard people say it causes headaches, brain fog, or something called Chinese restaurant syndrome. Others claim it's completely harmless and just another seasoning. So what's the truth? And more importantly, what are you actually buying when you grab that bottle labeled pure MSG or umami seasoning? Here's the part most shoppers never think about. Not all MSG products are created equal. Some brands are produced with strict quality controls and clean sourcing methods. Others, not so much. Some are imported in bulk, repackaged, and sold without clear transparency. Some contain additives or anti-caking agents you didn't expect. And some are marketed in ways that confuse buyers about what they're really getting. And let's be clear, this video isn't about fear, it's about awareness. If you're going to use MSG in your cooking, whether for soups, stir-fries, marinades, or snacks, you deserve to know which brands raise concerns and which ones are more transparent about sourcing and production. Because when it comes to seasonings, purity and manufacturing standards matter more than people realize. Today, we're breaking down 7 MSG brands to avoid right now. Brands that have sparked debate, raised sourcing questions, or caused buyer complaints. This list focuses on trending products found in US grocery stores and online marketplaces. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last brands on this list might surprise you. If you care about what goes into your food, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we expose grocery products most shoppers never question. Now let's get into it. Brand number 1, Ajinomoto monosodium glutamate retail packs. When most people think of MSG, they think of Ajinomoto. It's one of the most recognizable names in the global MSG industry and has been around for decades. Because of that reputation, many consumers assume it's automatically the safest or highest quality option. But recognition does not always equal transparency, and that's where concerns begin for some shoppers. Ajinomoto is a massive multinational corporation. Large-scale production means efficiency, but it also means industrial-level processing. MSG is typically produced through fermentation of starch sources like sugarcane, corn, or tapioca. The issue some critics raise isn't the existence of MSG itself. It's the lack of detailed consumer-facing transparency about raw material sourcing, processing conditions, and regional production standards for retail packaged products sold in different markets. Another concern involves repackaging and imports. In the US, some Ajinomoto branded MSG is imported, and supply chains can vary. Consumers rarely know whether the product on the shelf was produced in one country or another, verify production specifics beyond basic requirements. For shoppers who prioritize traceability and sourcing transparency, that lack of detail can be a red flag. There's also the perception factor. Because Ajinomoto dominates the MSG market, some consumers prefer smaller, specialty food-grade brands that focus on culinary transparency rather than industrial distribution. Large corporations are often less communicative about nuanced production differences unless legally required. To be clear, this isn't about claiming contamination or illegality. It's about the growing number of consumers who want detailed sourcing clarity and minimal processing disclosure. When that information isn't easily accessible, cautious shoppers may look elsewhere. If you're going to buy MSG, many consumers now prefer brands that emphasize food-grade certification transparency, clear country of origin labeling, and minimal additives, especially in today's ingredient-aware market. Brand number 2, Accent Flavor. Enhancer Accent is one of the most widely available MSG products in American supermarkets. It's often marketed as a simple flavor enhancer, and many consumers don't even realize that its primary ingredient is monosodium glutamate. That subtle marketing language alone raises eyebrows for shoppers who prefer clearer labeling. While Accent does list MSG on the ingredient panel, the front of package branding focuses heavily on flavor enhancer rather than directly highlighting monosodium glutamate. For transparency-focused buyers, that marketing strategy can feel intentionally softened. Another issue frequently raised involves additives. Some retail seasoning products include anti-caking agents or additional processing aids. Even if present in small amounts, many consumers prefer single-ingredient products when purchasing something as specific as MSG. Accent has historically been marketed toward enhancing convenience foods and processed dishes. That association leads some health-conscious buyers to avoid it altogether, preferring whole-ingredient cooking approaches rather than flavor amplification shortcuts. Again, this isn't about claiming the product is unsafe or illegal. It's about consumer preference shifting towards simpler labeling, fewer additives, and clearer communication. When shoppers feel like branding downplays what's inside the container, trust can erode. For those who want maximum clarity, some buyers choose choose bulk culinary grade MSG sold specifically as a single ingredient product with detailed labeling instead of supermarket flavor enhancer branding. Brand number 3, Badia monosodium. Glutamate Badia is a well-known spice company in the US, offering everything from seasonings to herbs. Their MSG product is easy to find in many grocery chains. However, some shoppers raise concerns about spice industry repackaging practices. Many spice brands source ingredients globally and repackage them domestically. While that's common practice, it can make origin tracing more difficult. Consumers who want full transparency sometimes find that spice brands do not always provide detailed sourcing breakdowns for individual raw materials. Another consideration is packaging type. MSG is highly hygroscopic, meaning it can absorb moisture from the air. Packaging quality matters to maintain purity and prevent clumping. Some buyers report concerns about long shelf storage in humid conditions, depending on retailer handling. Additionally, spice brands typically operate at large scale. When companies manage hundreds of SKUs, MSG may simply be another product in the catalog rather than a specialty focus. Consumers seeking specialty-grade food additives sometimes prefer brands that specialize specifically in fermentation-derived products rather than general spice distributors. Again, this isn't an accusation of contamination. It's about the increasing demand for precision labeling, production transparency, and specialty-grade quality. Shoppers who prioritize traceable sourcing often gravitate toward brands that clearly list origin detail, fermentation source, corn, sugarcane, etc., and quality certifications. Brand number 4, Spice Supreme MSG. Spice Supreme is commonly found in discount grocery stores and budget markets. While affordability makes it attractive, low-cost seasoning products often raise questions about supply chain sourcing and quality control transparency. Budget spice brands typically compete on price rather than brand trust. When pricing is significantly lower than competitors, some consumers naturally wonder where cost reductions occurred, whether in sourcing, packaging, or production oversight. Another factor is retailer handling. Discount distributed products sometimes experience longer shelf times in variable storage environments. Because MSG can attract moisture, storage conditions can influence clumping and texture over time. Consumers focused on strict quality standards often prefer companies that publish detailed manufacturing information, maintain visible certifications, and provide clear traceability. Budget-focused spice brands rarely emphasize. Again, it's not about declaring a product dangerous. It's about the growing segment of shoppers who demand ingredient-level clarity and are cautious with mass-distributed budget seasonings. As grocery awareness increases, many buyers are becoming more selective, especially with standalone additives like MSG. Brand number 5, Wei-Chuan monosodium. Glutamate Wei-Chuan is a recognizable Asian food brand in many US supermarkets, especially in international aisles. Because of its long-standing presence in Asian cooking products, many consumers assume its MSG is automatically authentic and reliable. However, recognition alone doesn't always equal transparency, and that's where some cautious buyers start asking questions. One of the biggest concerns raised by ingredient-focused shoppers is limited publicly available sourcing detail. While Wei-Chuan sells a variety of sauces, condiments, and pantry staples, its MSG product does not heavily market origin transparency or fermentation source clarity. MSG is typically created through fermentation of starch sources. Consumers who are mindful about genetically modified crops or specific agricultural sources often want that information clearly stated on packaging or on brand websites. When those details aren't easily accessible, uncertainty can create hesitation. Another point involves import distribution. Some Wei-Chuan products are imported, and supply chains can vary depending on region and distributor. Shoppers increasingly prefer brands that emphasize local manufacturing clarity and traceable batch information. Packaging is also something buyers examine closely. MSG is sensitive to humidity and can clump if exposed to moisture. If packaging is thin or not resealable, product quality can decline after opening. Some consumers prefer airtight containers with clearer labeling of storage recommendations to maintain long-term freshness. Brand number 6, Iberia monosodium glutamate. Iberia is another brand frequently found in international grocery sections across the United States. Known for distributing a wide range of pantry staples, spices, and packaged goods, Iberia positions itself as a global food supplier. However, when it comes to single ingredient additives like MSG, some consumers prefer a higher degree of transparency than what general import brands typically emphasize. One primary concern revolves around sourcing visibility. Iberia distributes products from multiple countries, and supply chains may vary based on availability and cost. While that flexibility allows for competitive pricing, it can make it difficult for consumers to pinpoint exactly where a specific batch of MSG originated. In today's grocery environment, many shoppers actively seek detailed country of origin labeling and manufacturing transparency, especially for products derived from fermentation processes. MSG production involves fermentation of starch-based plant-based crops. For consumers sensitive to agricultural sourcing, whether due to personal dietary preferences or concerns about genetically modified inputs, clear labeling matters. When packaging does not prominently specify fermentation source or provide direct manufacturing details, uncertainty can lead buyers to choose brands that are more communicative. Another factor that cautious shoppers evaluate is quality control messaging. Specialty ingredient companies often highlight lab testing, purity levels, and compliance certifications directly on their websites or packaging. Broad distribution brands like Iberia typically focus more on product variety and affordability rather than in-depth production transparency. That difference in messaging can influence trust for consumers who want technical clarity. Brand number 7, McCormick Culinary, MSG. McCormick is one of the most recognizable spice companies in the United States, with a long-standing reputation in seasoning blends, herbs, and culinary products. Many consumers assume that anything under the McCormick name automatically meets premium standards. However, when it comes specifically to standalone MSG products under large spice conglomerates, some ingredient-conscious shoppers raise concerns about transparency and positioning. First, it's important to understand that McCormick operates at a massive global scale. Large-scale production brings consistency, but it can also reduce ingredient-specific transparency. When a company manages hundreds of spice blends and seasoning formulations, monosodium glutamate may simply be treated as one of many components, rather than a specialty fermentation-derived product, requiring detailed sourcing communication. For consumers who prioritize traceability, that broad catalog approach can feel less reassuring. Another issue some shoppers highlight is labeling clarity. While the ingredient may be clearly listed as monosodium glutamate, packaging often emphasizes culinary enhancement rather than production specifics. Modern buyers increasingly want to know where the fermentation base originates, whether it's derived from corn, sugarcane, or another starch source, and whether that source is genetically modified or conventionally grown. When such details are not prominently disclosed, cautious consumers may feel there is incomplete transparency. Additionally, corporate scale suppliers sometimes rely on multi-regional manufacturing facilities. While this ensures availability, it can create variation in sourcing routes depending on geographic distribution. Ingredient-focused shoppers sometimes prefer brands that operate with clearly identified single-region production facilities and batch traceability rather than broad global sourcing networks. There is also the broader concern about consolidation in the spice industry. When a few large corporations dominate shelf space, smaller specialty-grade ingredient brands may be overshadowed. Some consumers actively seek niche fermentation-focused companies that publish laboratory testing results, purity percentages, and production certifications directly for their MSG products. When those technical assurances are not highlighted, trust can weaken among highly detail-oriented buyers. For consumers who prioritize ingredient traceability and specialized production clarity, the lack of deeply detailed public-facing sourcing information may be enough reason to explore alternative MSG brands that emphasize fermentation origins and quality disclosures more directly. So instead of just telling you what to avoid, let's talk about what you can buy with more confidence. Here are 2 MSG brands that stand out for stronger transparency, reputation, and clearer quality positioning in the US market. Safe brand number 1, Now Foods. Pure food grade monosodium glutamate. Now Foods is widely recognized in the United States for its supplement and health-focused ingredient lines. Unlike general grocery spice brands, Now positions itself around purity, batch testing, and ingredient transparency, and that reputation carries over into its single-ingredient food-grade products. One major reason some consumers prefer Now Foods MSG is its strong emphasis on quality assurance. The company is known for in-house laboratory testing, GMP, good manufacturing practices, compliance, and batch verification standards across its product lines. For buyers who prioritize controlled production environments and documented oversight, that matters. Unlike seasoning brands that carry MSG as one item among hundreds, Now Foods focuses heavily on ingredient integrity. Packaging typically highlights that the product contains a single ingredient, monosodium glutamate, without unnecessary fillers or flavor blends. For consumers seeking a clean, straightforward product, that simplicity builds trust. Another key advantage is domestic distribution clarity. Now Foods operates primarily within the US market, which can reduce uncertainty around long import chains or ambiguous sourcing routes. Many shoppers feel more comfortable purchasing from companies that publicly outline quality control procedures and regulatory compliance standards. Additionally, Now Foods markets toward a health-conscious demographic. That audience expects transparency. Because of that, the company tends to communicate production and purity standards more openly than many budget seasoning brands. It's important to note that this isn't about claiming other brands are unsafe. It's about choosing companies that emphasize testing, compliance, and ingredient disclosure. For shoppers who want reassurance in the form of structured quality systems, norms and established US-based oversight now. Food's MSG can feel like a safer and more transparent option. When buying a standalone additive like MSG, the fewer surprises on the label, the better. And now's clean, single ingredient positioning is exactly what many informed buyers look for. Safe brand number 2, Fufeng Group certified food grade export product. Fufeng Group remains one of the largest global fermentation specialists producing amino acids and food grade MSG. Unlike general grocery distributors, Fufeng operates primarily as a fermentation-focused manufacturer, and that specialization can provide reassurance for ingredient-focused consumers. Because Fufeng supplies large food manufacturers worldwide, it must comply with international food safety regulations across multiple markets. Export-grade production often requires strict adherence to regulatory standards depending on the importing country. Fufeng focuses on fermentation-derived ingredients at industrial scale. That means production facilities are designed specifically for controlled microbial fermentation processes, which is how MSG is naturally created from carbohydrate sources. For consumers who understand fermentation science, that specialization can inspire more confidence than brands that simply repackage MSG alongside dozens of unrelated products. Another advantage is packaging integrity. Certified export-grade MSG typically comes in sealed, moisture-resistant packaging to maintain crystal stability. Since MSG can absorb humidity, proper packaging plays an essential role in preserving quality. Again, the important factor is purchasing verified food-grade product from reliable distributors rather than unverified bulk sellers. When sourced properly, Fufeng's specialization in fermentation manufacturing and international compliance standards makes it one of the more technically reassuring options on the market. For shoppers who value production focus, certification compliance, and fermentation expertise, this type of manufacturer-based product can offer greater peace of mind compared to loosely branded retail spice alternatives. So here's the bottom line. MSG isn't automatically dangerous. It isn't some mysterious chemical created in a lab to harm you. It's a flavor enhancer produced through fermentation, similar to foods we already consume daily. The real issue isn't the ingredient itself. It's transparency, sourcing, and how clearly brands communicate what you're actually buying. In today's grocery world, blind trust is outdated. Smart shoppers read labels. Smart shoppers question marketing. Smart shoppers choose brands that are open about production standards. That's the difference between shopping emotionally and shopping intelligently. If a company clearly lists monosodium glutamate as the only ingredient, follows proper food grade standards, and provides transparent sourcing information, that's a completely different scenario than vague packaging and unclear distribution chains. And that's exactly why we break these lists down. Not to create fear, but to create awareness. Because once you understand how ingredients are made and marketed, you start seeing grocery aisles differently. You stop falling for buzzwords. You stop reacting to headlines. You start making decisions based on information. If this breakdown helped you think differently about MSG, imagine what we'll uncover next. Hit like so more people stop shopping blindly. Subscribe right now because we're exposing more grocery myths every week, and turn on notifications because the next product we break down might already be in your pantry. Drop a comment below. Do you use MSG at home? Did this change your opinion? What brand should we investigate next? Stay informed, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.